皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル、資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
French Foreign Minister to U.S. Repairing ties will take time. September 23, 2021, 5:21 p.m. VOA News. File in this photo taken from video. France's Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian speaks during a news conference, September 20, 2021, in New York. French Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian told U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken on Thursday that it would take time and actions to repair ties with the U.S. in the wake of a submarine deal that undercut a French agreement to supply Australia with diesel subs. Last week, the United States, United Kingdom, and Australia announced a deal under which the UK and US will instead supply Australia with nuclear-powered submarines. File a fast attack submarine returns to the US naval base in Guam, August 19, 2021, in this photo provided by US Navy. The move angered France, which withdrew its ambassadors from the US and Australia. Earlier in the week, Le Drian expressed concern about what he characterized as deceit by one of its oldest allies. He told reporters at the United Nations this week that the United States had gone behind France's back and had hidden the New Deal for months. According to State Department spokesperson Ned Price, Le Drian and Blinken spoke about plans for in-depth bilateral consultations on issues of strategic importance. They discussed the EU strategy for cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. On Wednesday, President Joe Biden and French President Emmanuel Macron spoke by phone in an attempt to rebuild trust between the NATO allies. Some information for this report came from Reuters.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。